Okay, I'm currently in the process of actually restoring my Zenith Enlarger. One of the main problems is that the foam inside the case has started to rot out. But Zeniths have another foam rotting issue with the pentaprism, which is this bit up here. And I've just looked at this camera, and this camera's actually started to exhibit it. If you look through the viewfinder there, you'll see the line going up and down. That's the foam eating its way through the pentaprism. Now, when you actually look into the viewfinder, it's not that bad, but I'm going to try to arrest the situation by getting the nasty foam out of there. So that's what I'm going to try and do right now. Okay, right. So this here is the offending foam rubber, which as we can see is just disintegrating. You can feel it's sticky as well. And this is the pentaprism. So let's get this apart. Okay, I think this gives you a better idea of what we're faced with. Yeah, it's extremely well adhered to the thing, but what I'm trying to protect now is where the error in the pentaprism is on this top edge here. So I really need to try and get rid of all of this gunge without removing any more of the film. In fact, you can see, I think you can see in the bottom of the pentaprism the line there. Can you see the line? Maybe not, but anyway. Right, let's see if I can clean this up then, I suppose. Okay, let's see how easy or otherwise I can throw this thing back together. Okay, so that goes on there like that. Yep. Put a little bit of felt on top. So how successful that's going to be. You never know, might work. Right. Well, it's back together, and what's even better is that it's still working as well. I had some issues with it because I forgot to put the two little washers in this bit here, and as you can see when you take the picture, this bit spins, so it's very, very important that that is free to rotate. Light mate is still working, as you can see. Okay, and as a bonus, although my original intention was just to arrest the problem with the viewfinder, I think the viewfinder is actually a little bit better than it was. Now I've got to say that again on this video that you're seeing now, the fault does appear to be ever so slightly worse than it is when you're actually looking at it in the real world. So that's not too bad. That's livable with. So there we go. Took it apart, took the foam out, put a bit of felt in, and hopefully now I'll get a few more years out of this good old Russian brick of a camera.